Today, I'm gonna show you how to make money with high-paying link shorteners. These are the highest-paying ones in the industry, and we're gonna take advantage of them. You don't need any money, any skill for this, only your free time and a little bit of patience, because I'm gonna lay out full instructions for this strategy. Pay close attention and follow it correctly so you can make yourself nice passive income which can rise every single month. Don't skip any steps, because I have seen many guys giving up because they simply don't have patience. And it's about time that we start making some money online, because everyone else is doing so, and we can't let them take all the profits now, can we? Buckle up, get ready, and let's go straight to step number 1. Alright, so first of all, what exactly is link shortening? How does it work? And why can you actually make money with this? Because to be honest, it kind of sounds too good to be true. So let me explain how that works and then why it works. So first of all, link shortening is pretty much shortening a link. That's it. Sounds basic. It basically is what it is. So you've got a link, you then put it into a software, and it's gonna shorten that link for you, and that is the concept. However, how you can make money with it is that basically what happens is that when you shorten a link, they pretty much own that traffic. So when people click on that link, instead of them going to the website right away, there will be an ad in between. So if someone clicks on the link that you shortened with that software, instead of them going to that website, the final destination website right away, they will get to see an ad in between. Now, the ad is exactly why you're gonna make money. So basically, how does it work? You simply have a link shortener, you send the traffic, and then in between, they will see an ad, and that's why you can get paid for it. These guys share their ad revenue with you, so it's a win-win situation for everybody involved. So the first website that I'm gonna show you is called publisher.linkvertise.com. So share links and earn money on every visitor who clicks on your link. That's exactly what this is. Now, first of all, guys, let me just get started by saying that this is not some like get-rich-quick type of thing or some magical website to make money. No, the concept itself works. You need traffic, you need clicks in order to make money, alright? And now I'll show you how it's done. If you click on Learn More here, you will get a quick video about how this actually works. But they miss one thing. They miss traffic sources, and that's exactly what you need. So these guys actually claim that they have the highest payout rates. Earn up to $70 per 1,000 views. Now, honestly guys, that is really high, and for that you would have to get like 1,000 clicks from like a very premium country. Chances of that happening are slim to none, so overall, I mean, of course, you can get 1,000 clicks from that country. However, you're not gonna get 1,000 clicks in a row from just that country. They will be mixed in with all sorts of other countries, meaning that your overall CPM is gonna be lower, which makes sense. But what is sweet about this website is that they've got automatic monthly payments. That's the thing I like the most. Other than that, they have clear statistics, high payouts, and high user friendliness. So everything on this website is really user friendly, and the first thing we gotta do is to make ourselves a free account here. Simply click on register, enter your credentials here, and just make sure to enter a valid email address, because they're gonna send you a confirmation link and you need to click on that in order to use your account. Complete this CAPTCHA, register now, and you're all done. And now this is your dashboard, and here you have all the necessary information about your links, clicks, and details about them. You can track how much money you have earned so far, and you can also see impressions and your RPM. And now you just have to scroll down a bit and click on create a link. So for example, I want to drive traffic to YouTube. You send a YouTube link to someone, or you post that link on some forum or something, and you put that link here, click on continue, and that's it. Next, you have to label the button for the redirect. For example, just type in video, continue, then create the link for ties sharing URL. So here you just put some endings. So of course you can put YouTube, that's it, continue, enter a title, link description, image is optional of course, and click on continue. And this is how it looks like. Now you use this link to make money. You copy it and you use it wherever you want. So whenever someone clicks on it, they will be redirected to see an ad first. They will close it and then go to YouTube video, for example. It's very simple, and a lot of people are making money like this because it doesn't require anything from your side other than your free time. And that'll be it for today's video, guys. Remember, go out there, take some action, and invest your free time into something smart and profitable, guys. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, as that can really help me. Take care, guys, and have a nice day.